Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to use Snapchat in PC. Why would you want to know how to use Snapchat in PC? Well, maybe there are sometimes issues where we have to use Snapchat in our PC, right? So I will show you how to do it. So today I will show you how to use Snapchat in PC easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So here it is google.com. Here you have to just write Snapchat and just hit the enter button, right? Click on the first link whatever comes here, then on the top right side corner you will see a option to log in the chat. So here after clicking on that login in the chat, you will be redirected to a new page, and here basically you have to log in. So you have to just enter your email address or username, right? So guys, after entering the email address, you have to confirm through your mobile phone. And as you can see here guys, our Snapchat has got open in the PC, right? So this is very easy. On the left side you can see all the chats, and basically you can turn on the camera and you can use your laptop or PC camera to send snaps, right? You can just create a Bitmoji here if you wanted to. If you want to do the chat, you can do here, but guys, you can't send the snap to everybody right here. So basically you can view the story, or you can view the chats, or you can view the story, or snaps, or for example videos. You can view it but you can't send it, right? So this is pretty easy guys. On the here on the top left side corner you can see all the options are here given, help center, all that. So it is pretty easy. On the right side you can see that you can start a chat, that is a normal call or a normal chatting, right? So there you go guys. If you want to know how to use Snapchat in PC, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to use Snapchat in PC, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.